Assalamu alaikum. In this video I am unboxing Hoco QS2 portable smart jump starter and air pump. If you own a car or a motorbike, this would be a must-have device for emergency solutions. I was not sponsored by the manufacturer and I bought this with my own money, so hopefully this would be an honest user experience of unboxing and usage demonstration. I was looking for a good jump starter and considering Basis as my first option. There were many Chinese unknown brands on e-commerce sites and Facebook Marketplace, but I couldn't trust any of them, so I have ordered this from the official website of Hoco Bangladesh. This came within 2 days and the packaging is really good. I paid 7,300 taka approximately, including the delivery charge. I'd recommend buying this from the official seller as it ensures the warranty of your product. This is a premium product from Hoco, so now I'll open the box and see what's inside it. As you can see, this is a sealed box and this is an authentic product. So there are QR codes which you might try to verify if the product is authentic or not. Okay, so the box includes the battery clamps, which are of really solid build. User manual with instructions and warnings in the different languages. Some silica gel and the air pressure hose. The quality is really good, as you can tell from seeing it. Now the actual product itself. This is made of good PCU material and has a solid build feel on my hands. Here are two covered ports. One is for the jump starter and this one houses two USB-A outputs and one USB-C for input. It has also a fairly powerful flashlight with multiple functions and the air outlet. There are different options of pumping different vehicle types. Here is the jump starting clamp, and when you plug it in, the built-in indicator lights blink red and green if the battery clamps are not plugged in correctly, or there is an issue with the battery. Now let's go and try it. See, my car battery is working but not powerful enough to start the engine. I'd recommend not to keep trying in this state as it might damage the alternator and ignition motor. I'll now plug in properly the device and see if it works. I tried also the inflation mode and it works fine as well. Thanks for watching and hoping to see you in my next videos. To keep updated, subscribe and like. Thank you.